Special thanks to scientific writer Scott for the summary of the Bladder Cancer Canada Forum held in February of 2021. The COVID-19 pandemic may have disrupted medical care and research in many ways, but a recent meeting of Canadian bladder cancer experts made it clear that Canadian doctors and people with bladder cancer are continuing to make substantial contributions to the understanding of this disease. In February 2021, a group of healthcare professionals and patient advocates from Bladder Cancer Canada met virtually at the 2021 Canadian Bladder Cancer Forum. This two-day meeting focused on ongoing and upcoming bladder cancer research in Canada. As a survivor of non-muscle invasive bladder cancer and as volunteer board chair, I kicked off the session with a brief update on the status of Bladder Cancer Canada. I reassured the participants that despite the pandemic, Bladder Cancer Canada has continued to fulfill its three key mandates of supporting patients, increasing awareness and education, and funding research. I stressed how BCC was already well established online and that even though not being able to be in direct contact with bladder cancer patients was challenging, Bladder Cancer Canada was able to pivot to a strictly virtual presence fairly easily. With respect to research, I reviewed the many ways that Bladder Cancer Canada provides support to the Canadian research community, including funding and research grants. In 2021, Bladder Cancer Canada is providing $100,000 in research grants, which will be matched evenly by the Canadian Urological Association, totaling $200,000. The majority of the forum was chaired by Dr. Peter Black from Vancouver and Dr. Sakela Sridhar from Toronto. Their summaries and recap of the forum are included here, along with summaries from Drs. Girish Kulkarni from Toronto and Wes Kassouf from Montreal. Thank you all for your leadership, to those presenting at this year's forum, and to all who attended this very informative session. From all of us at Bladder Cancer Canada and the 80,000 patients in Canada and their families and their care support network, we so appreciate you. Thank you.